Want to change alarm sound on your iPhone? In this video, step by step, I will show you how to change your iPhone alarm tune. Let's start it. First, you have to just open your clock app. After opening clock app, now you can find here plus options on the right side corner, top bar. Now you can see you have to just click on the here, the sound option. Click on the sound option. After clicking the sound option, now you can find here you can see here ringtones. You have to which you want to select. You can select. If you want to select custom sound or song, you can click on the pick song, and now you can see here more alarm have available which you want. You have to just click and select it. Here more how you have to just select which you want, and just it will be selected. After select, now you have to just go to the back. Now you have to just set your timer to alarm, and just you have to take here on the right side top bar. Now your alarm will be set and you can change. This is very easy step to you. I hope this video is helpful to you. Subscribe to Genuine Guide YouTube channel for more iPhone tips and tutorials videos. Thanks for watching the video.